We start from the field reconstruction, metal texture, with ultra-high-definition touchscreen, bring efficient control experience. We refactored the connection. First, infrared. The X-to-body has a high-power transmitter built into it, and the signal can reach every corner of your video room. X-to supports connecting multiple BLE devices simultaneously. Look, from Apple TV to Fire TV, instantaneous switch of control, zero delay. All your players, always online at the same time. This means to things, Home Assistant, and IP control. Right now, X2 is its most powerful physical remote. Imagine, one-click movie mode. X2 not only launches your player, but also controls HomeKit's lights and these curtains via cross-platform, redesigned form, fully evolved performance, and a completely open eco-home. Sofabaton X2. This is the enthusiast's all-purpose remote control.